This tutorial will be showing you Telegram cloud storage for video online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, Telegram cloud storage for video. The first step is to type here on the search and open up Telegram if you already have it installed. Once the Telegram window has been opened up, you can click here on the top left hand screen and you can create a new group or a new channel. In this case, new channel. Name the channel whatever it is that you would like and then click create, and you can even add a profile picture if you would like. You can choose to make this public or private and then click save, and here is your invite link if you want to share it with anyone, and click save. Now you've successfully created your Telegram channel. In order for cloud storage to work for Telegram online completely for free, locate an image, a video, or even a file that you would like to add in Telegram. In this case, I'm clicking, holding, and dragging a video clip, and basically you can add a caption, you can even add an emoji, and you can choose to send, cancel, or even add more if you would like. And as you can see now, we are successfully uploading on Telegram or free cloud storage online completely for free. Again, you can even choose to drag in a other file. Let's say we want to drag in a text file, and it downloaded and it uploaded the text file completely for free.